Hi everyone, Uncle Arnold is here and I'll be helping you solve the problem on the board. We have here, Ellie is twice as old as Dan. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 23. How old is Ellie? Now, we can solve this in many ways. But I think the best way to solve this is by TAE, trial and error. Trial and error. Now let's try. How old is Ellie? You say 11. So Ellie is 11. What does the problem say? Ellie, this one, is twice as old as Dan. Now, if Ellie is 11, because we tried 11 based on the choices, then how old is Dan? Dan is divide by 2 and also divide by 2. So Dan is 11 divided by 2, 5.5. This is a bad number. Because when we talk about age, it should be whole number, not decimal. Therefore, we cannot make use of 11 or an odd number. So therefore, this is already wrong and this one is also wrong. So now let's try letter C, 22. Ellie is 22 and Ellie is twice as old as Dan. Twice as old as Dan. So if Ellie is 22 and Ellie is twice as Dan, therefore Dan is divide by 2, divide by 2. Dan is 22 divided by 2, 11. Again, we have Ellie is 22 and Dan is 11. 5 years ago, how old is Ellie? 5 years ago. 22 minus 5, that would be 17. How about Dan 5 years ago? That would be 6. Now, let's add, because it says there that 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 23. 17 plus 6, 13, carry 1, 23. So therefore, our correct answer is letter C. That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.